Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken salad using a rotisserie chicken from Costco. I'm going to go ahead and take this chicken apart and then I will be right back. I just finished taking apart our rotisserie chicken, so now we can actually make our chicken salad. I think Costco has the best rotisserie chickens out of all the grocery stores. I'm going to start off with half a cup of mayonnaise. Now I'm going to add in a splash of white vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar. And now I'm adding in a little bit of Dijon mustard. Like half a teaspoon, but I just kind of estimate it. Now I'm just going to add in some salt and pepper, and then we're going to whisk this together. This is what it should look like. And now I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna add my other ingredients into my bowl of chicken. I'm adding in about 1/4 cup of golden raisins, 1 stalk of celery, and a handful of chopped parsley. I'm also gonna add in a couple of chopped walnuts. If you're allergic to nuts, just feel free to leave nuts out. Then I'm adding about half a red onion, which I diced earlier. Now I'm gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna add in our mayonnaise vinegar mixture. Oh, there's one really important ingredient I forgot to add. That is a cup of grapes. I feel like this is what makes the chicken salad taste really good, because you get a mix of like salt and sweet. So I'm just gonna mix that together, and now I'm gonna add in our mayonnaise. You could always do a little bit more mayonnaise or a little bit less mayonnaise depending on how big your chicken is. Now I have my mayonnaise in here. I'm just gonna mix this all together. This is what it looks like. Let's give it a taste and see if we need to add anything else to it. That is seriously so good. I feel like I can't stop eating this. If you guys end up giving this a try, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!